Now you look at the very deeply, you try to understand, there is the whole spine. In that spine you understand the spine means is the vertebra. Spinal cord is different from the spine. The whole spine away from the vertebrae, very close and adjacent to the vertebrae, you look at the points. So those points starts from the T1 to L5 S1 region, right? So these points to be considered and called as a Huato-Chiachi points. That points to be called as a extra 21 point, right? Extra points. So among them extra points is, the name is only the extra 21, but the whole points to be considered as a Huato-Chiachi points. If you wanted to know the neck Chiachi points, then thoracic Chiachi points, then the lumbar Chiachi points, and the sacrum Chiachi points. चाची याद रख लियो, चाची, ठीक है. Or you can consider Jiaji because of the Huato. Hua is the Chinese name, who is the neurologist in China who invented these points. But in fact he also neurologist, he handled and treated the many cases related to the neuro conditions by doing the acupuncture. Then he found it, rather than using the body acupuncture points, I wanted to use the neurological, which we call as a neuromodulation technique. So neuromodulation is nothing but it is the connecting to the nervous connectivity to that. So neuromuscular, neuroconnectivity, neurokinetic and neuromodulation all are related to the you are connecting to the nervous system to treat the various diseases of the muscular system and also the nervous system as well. And not only that, of course, you are treating to the organ system as well. So however, you just look at the whole spine, the next to the spine, what are the difference between the points called as a Huato-Chiachi, and then Huato-Chiachi points are all the points to be considered as a motor points, all the points to be considered as a trigger points. This point is located half tune lateral to the lower border of the caudal spinous process of the each vertebra, or we can consider the inferior border of the spinous process, or we can consider is the lower border of the spinous process of the vertebrae. So these points to be considered as a motor points. So these points are located on the multifidus muscles. This point you need to be insert to the deeper level, not on the surface level. So therefore you understand this point is located on the very close to the vertebrae, and this point, this line to be called as a Huato point or the extra 21 points. Right. When you look at the other meridian is the medial branch of the vesical meridian. Those points also is the trigger points. Those points also is the motor points. Those points called as a Tashu, Fengmen, Fishu, Ju Inshu, right? Sinshu, Dushu, Keshu, Pishu, Danshu, and then Ta Changshu, Pangkuangshu, till that these points are to be considered as a is the UB11 to UB30 points to be considered as a is the motor point. That points are located on the vesical meridian, but you understand the another point I'll tell you, the motor points. If you does a mistake, you need not to worry. Half tune lateral is the Huato-Chiachi point. 1 tune lateral points to be considered as a facet joint points, and then 1.5 tune lateral to these points to be considered as a medial branch of the vesical meridian, and 3 tune lateral to this point to be considered as a medial, that is the lateral branch of the vesical meridian. So therefore when we look at that, all these points is especially the extra 21 meridian points, and then UB meridian points, medial side UB11, 12, 13, those points, and then in between there is a point called as a facet joint points. So all these points to be considered as a motor points and trigger points, since these points are located on the multifidus muscles and erector spinae muscles. So therefore this point is good point to treat for all the neuromodulation conditions, the neuro conditions of our spine. And also I told you the scoliosis, kyphosis, and then which we call as a lordosis. These this condition also, this is the best point you need to handle and treat the patient. Even in the cervical pain, there is no Huato Jiaji point here, but of late invented that the neck B, which we called in Chinese terminology for the cervical spondylosis, cervical pain, we call as a neck, N-E-C-K, neck B-I to be pronounced as a P, neck P syndrome or the P syndrome. P syndromes is collectively called as a cervical brachial syndromes, called as a B syndromes or the P syndromes. So that to be considered as a neck pain, the various kinds of the neck pain. But for that they told me there are the number of the points we can add up from C3 to C8. The points you can add up half tune lateral to that point to be called as a neck Chiachi points. So neck Chiachi means C3 half tune lateral there is a point, C4 half tune lateral there is a point. In that way the lower border of the spinous process we need to find out and then apply the needle. Really that also amazing, you will get the results for the cervical pain and lumbar pain and then sacrum pain, etc.